Hello everyone, in this session, we'll delve into verb tenses, which are crucial for expressing time frames in actions. By the end of this lesson, you'll grasp the differences between past, present, and future tenses and how they impact your communication. Let's embark on this journey. Let's start with the past tense. This tense is employed to signify actions that have already occurred. For instance, she played the piano yesterday. The verb played indicates an action that happened in the past. Moving on to the present tense, it portrays actions that are happening now or regularly. For instance, he plays the guitar every day. Here, plays indicates an action that occurs regularly in the present. Now let's discuss the future tense. It's utilized to articulate actions that will occur later. For example, they will travel to Europe next month. The verb will travel indicates an action that will happen in the future. Understanding verb conjugation is essential. Here are examples of verb conjugation for each tense. 1. Past tense played, went, ate. 2. Present tense play, go, eat. 3. Future tense will play, will go, will eat. Now, let's explore the uses and applications of each tense. 1. Past tense, it's used for narrating events that already happened. 2. Present tense, this tense describes actions currently happening or habitual activities. 3. Future tense, it's employed for predicting or planning future actions. Let's reinforce our understanding with some practice sentences. Identify the tense of each verb. 1. She finished her homework last night. 2. He is reading a book now. 3. They will celebrate their anniversary next week. Take a moment to determine the tenses. Now, let's review the answers. 1. She finished her homework last night. Past tense. 2. He is reading a book now. Present tense. 3. They will celebrate their anniversary next week. Future tense. Well done. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. In conclusion, mastering verb tenses is crucial for effective communication. Whether you're narrating past events, describing current actions, or planning for the future, understanding and using tenses correctly enhances clarity and precision in your language. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned for more language insights and lessons.